having a look at what's making our temperatures how high they've actually made it for today. Just look at this. High temperatures today reached up to near 50 degrees here in Rockford. It's at around 46 there in Rochelle. You can even see some 50s just to our east over there on the map as well. But we're going to continue to see that as we head into the next couple of days. Here's a look at the reason why. High pressure is sitting right above us, but then we have this low pressure system that brought in a slight cold front. Now this front is kind of weak, so it only brought in more cloud coverage and also brings in a slight cool down as we head into the rest of the night. Here's a better look at satellite and radar and how things are starting to pan out. Notice you're starting to see all that cloud cover building in for the rest of the evening and heading into the night as well. We're going to continue to see that into parts of Tuesday morning. Currently sitting around 36 degrees, mostly cloudy skies. A slight wind chill as an east wind moves in at 29 degrees. And the big thing we're starting to notice is visibility is starting to drop. So another chance for fog in the area across the entire state line. Just take a look at Freeport, already sitting at 5 miles of visibility right now and dropping down to 7 as we head down to Rochelle as well. So future track is showing that visibility is going to continue to drop for the rest of the night. This is showing you around 3:30. The thickness is going to be picking up when it comes to that fog at this time. But then we slowly start to get better as we head toward the morning, around 7:30, and then later in the morning as well, around 11:30. That's when we're going to start to see more normal conditions, and then all of us will be there hopefully by the afternoon as more sunshine kind of eats away at some of that fog. So patchy fog tonight, meaning we could be seeing a few slick spots as temperatures are dropping very close to freezing. So we could be seeing some patchy frost out there as well. Those foggy conditions will be clearing out by the late morning. Here's a look at future track when it comes to that cloud coverage, mainly clearing it out mainly on Tuesday, not really seeing it until we get back on Wednesday. So Christmas Day is going to be the next opportunity to see that cloud coverage sticking around the area all the way into parts of Thursday. So overall for tonight, sitting around 31 degrees, partly cloudy. We're going to have some patchy fog popping up a little bit later into the night. Here's a look at the PM travel forecast for Tuesday. Notice you see this front that's slowly starting to work back up in here, bringing us those warm temperatures we're going to be dealing with. High pressure sitting right here, but notice cloudy weather is going to be sitting in the Midwest. As we head toward the west, that's where we're going to be dealing with more dicey conditions. Some snow and rain will be popping up, and then mainly some clearing back here on the eastern coast where things will be just as quiet but cloudy. So holiday preview shows Christmas Eve sitting around 51 degrees, AM fog and then partly cloudy. Christmas Day sitting around 54 degrees, mostly cloudy and very warm. This is reaching that record territory as our temperatures are near 20 degrees above at this time of year. We're not quite reaching the record, sitting around 58 degrees with our record set back in 1982. We could be there. We're possibly 4 degrees under that at 54. 7-day forecast is showing we're still going to be keeping the 50s for Thursday, but then we're slowly going to be working back toward winter on Sunday. Back to you, Kristen.
Back to reality at some point. Thanks, Tommy.